Hey guys, Ed here with an unboxing and teardown of the new Mikrotik L009, which is the replacement for the legendary router board 2011, which appeared back in 2012. This one maintains the same red color as the original one and promises to be 4 times as fast and more performant as the original. The RB2011 offered 10 Ethernet ports, of which 5 were gigabit and 5 were 100 megabit. It has 4 times the RAM of the RB2011, opening the usual Mikrotik cardboard box. It contains the user manual, some packing material. Let's take the power supply out. We can see it brings 24 watts and 1.5 amps, which can be enough for powering another PoE device. The router looks nice and red. It has a ticket attached that we shouldn't power it on without the antennas attached. Here we have the reset button, the power socket, an SFP which can bring up to 2.5 gigabit, a USB port which is used for expanding the storage of the router or using an LTE modem, and 8 gigabit Ethernet ports. The first is PoE in and the last one is PoE out, so we can power this router via Ethernet. Here we can see the antenna connectors and a nice heatsink. Here's the expansion port, which is a serial port which can be used to bring back this router to life if it fails. Opening further the box, we can see another 2 packages with antennas. It's a nice big 2.4 gigahertz antenna. Some rubber tabs for attaching at the bottom. Here's the another antenna. Which looks identical to the first. And here are some screws and wall plugs if you want to attach this router to the wall. Let's get to the teardown. On the back we can see some screws. The back is metallic. Let's take our favorite screwdriver and the normal Phillips bit. Now, I originally wanted to tear this router down to see if it has a slot for expanding the Wi-Fi to 5 GHz, as this router is capable only on 2.4 GHz. It has Wi-Fi 6, so it can go theoretically up to 600 megabits. Let's take the cover down. Sorry for the light. As we can see, there is no expansion slot whatsoever, so we won't be able to expand this router anymore. Let's take the PCB out. Here at the bottom we can see the IPQ 5018 processor, which is rated at 800 MHz. It's an ARM CPU with 2 cores, which is more than enough for this device. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.